Very pleasant good morning to my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome to maths class. Now everyone open companion page number 26. Draw one more and one less for each set of objects given below. Count and write the numbers. Okay, here first given 3 candies. Here you have to draw one less of the given candies, and here you have to draw one more of the given candies. How many are here? 3. So one less of 3 is here 3. So here you have to draw 2 candies. Why? Because one less. You have to draw the one less of the candies, means here you have to draw 2 candies. Okay children. Next, one more you have to draw one more than the given candies. Here 3 means you have to draw 4 candies. The one more number of 3 is 4. No, you have to draw 4 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay children, you have to draw like this. And the next here you have to observe. So here 2 means here you have to draw 1 and here you have to draw 3. Here 2 cats are here. You have to draw here 1 cat. Why? Because 1 less means you have to draw 1 cat, and 1 more means here the given 2 means you have to draw 3 cats. Next, so here given 5. So 1 less means 4. You have to draw 4 here, and you have to draw 6 here. Okay children. 1 less means you have to subtract 1 and draw, and 1 more means you have to draw the 1 more. Okay children, so next observe 3G. So look at the number street, write the numbers that come just before and just after the given numbers. Okay, here you have to write just before numbers and after of the given numbers. So first, what comes just after? So which number it is children? It's 3. So which number comes just after 3? So just after 3 is 4. You have to write 4 here. And 5 after 6. You have to write the just after number. So in 5 after 6 you have to write 6 here. Next, what comes just before? Okay, here you have to write the before numbers. Which number comes before 3? So before 3 before 2. Okay children. Next, what comes just before 5? So where the 5 here? Here it is 5. So which number comes before 5? 4. Here you have to write number 4. Okay children, here remaining 8 is there. You have to do the homework and send to me. Okay children, so next everyone open page number 47 in your studio 3.19. 3.19. Complete the crossword by writing the number names for the following. Okay children, so here given one crossword, you have to fill this with number names. Okay children, so first across. What comes just after 8? Across and down. So okay children, here some boxes are colored. Now you have to leave these boxes, and here given close it according across, and across means you have to write the numbers like this. Okay, you have to write the number names like this is cross. Now you have to write like this, and the down means you have to write the numbers in straight. Okay, first one. What in across you have to observe the first one. What comes just after 8? Which number comes after 8 children? 9. Here you have to write the number like in the first one. Across means you have to write like this. So which number comes after 8? 8 after 9. Write each letter in the each boxes. Next, what comes in between 6 and 8? Which number comes between 6 and 8? In between 6 and 8, 7. So go to the second one. Where the second here? So here 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Next, what is 1 more than 3? So what is 1 more than? 1 more means after number. Which number comes after 3? 4. So here write. In the third question write 4. Yes, for you are 4. So here the across is completed. Now go to the down. What comes in between 4 and 6? So which number comes between 4 and 6 children? 5. So here F, I, V, E. So here already E is there. No need to write again. F, I, V, E 5. S, V, V, E and 7. Next, what comes just before 9? Which number comes before 9 children? 9 before 8. So here write E, I, G, H, D, 8. Don't write the letters in the colored boxes, okay? Next, which number is just before 2? So, which number comes before 2? 1 is the before number of 2. Okay, you have to fill the box like this. Okay, note down everyone. Okay, children, so now it's project time. Everyone open companion page number 28. It's 3H. So 3H is project. Create a poster by drawing one sun. Okay, here given one poster. Now you have to add some more. So first here, what here given? Create a poster by drawing one sun. Okay, here you have to draw one sun. Where you have to draw sun? You have to draw here. Okay, here you have to draw one sun. 4 butterflies. Okay, here how many butterflies are given here? Here only 3 butterflies is there. No, you have to add one more butterfly. Now it's 4 butterflies. Okay, you have to draw one more butterfly. Next 5 pebbles. Here given any pebbles? No, pebbles means you have to draw small stones. Okay, children, you have to draw 5 small stones. Next, 7 apples on the tree. Okay, here in the first, here given. So this is the first tree, and here given the second tree. No, here you have to draw 7 apples on one tree, and 7 and 8 oranges on another tree. So here you have to draw 7 apples. Okay, wherever it you have to draw 7 apples. Okay, children. So here I am drawing only roughly. You have to draw the 7 apples in this tree and 8 oranges on the other tree. Add color to the poster and give a title. You have to use colors to draw this picture and give a title like Nature's Love. So here this is all the nature. Now you have to give the name Nature's Love. As your wish, you have to give any title. Okay, children, I think are you clear? First, in this you have to draw one sun and 4 butterflies. No, here 3. No, you have to draw one more butterfly and 5 pebbles, 7 oranges on this tree, 7 apples on this tree, and 8 oranges on this tree. Okay, and add colors. So this is your project, children. Next, we learnt. So mind map. Complete the following. Okay, children, in this chapter, which topic we have discussed? We discussed the numbers 1 to 9. Okay, the numbers 1 to 9, and we discussed before numbers, after numbers, and between numbers. So the before numbers means the numbers, which numbers come before to the number is called before number, and after numbers, and in between which numbers are come middle of the 2 numbers is called the between numbers. And we discussed greater than, less than, or is equal to. Greater than, less than, or is equal to when we are using, if the first number is smaller means we are using less than symbol, and the first number is greater means we are using greater than, and the 2 numbers are same means we are using is equal to symbol, and 1 less means it is a before number, and 1 more means it is the after number. Okay, so you have have to write the number names here. Okay children, so this is the third chapter. So in your companion given question time, okay, you have to complete the question time and send to me. Okay, we learned these topics already. Now you have to fill the question time paper. Okay children, so next shall we go to the fourth chapter, putting together. What is the name of our fourth chapter? Putting together. Okay children, so here Anjali and Charmi and Shekhar are on a picnic. They are visiting a farm. Okay, Anjali, Charmi and Shekhar on a picnic. Now let's go to the pep activity. Anjali and Charmi helped the farmer to collect the eggs. Okay, Anjali and Charmi wanted to do help to the farmer. Anjali has 5 eggs in the basket. Okay, here the first girl is Anjali and the second girl is Charmi. So Anjali has 5 eggs in her basket. Okay, Anjali has 5 eggs in her basket and Charmi has 3 eggs in her basket. Okay, help the farmer to put all the eggs together into this basket. Draw all the eggs in it. Okay, help the farmer to put all the eggs in the basket. You have to draw the total eggs in this basket. Okay, here Anjali has how many eggs? 5. You have to draw first Anjali eggs and Charmi have 3. Okay, you have to draw the total eggs in this basket. Now, number of eggs Anjali has. How many eggs having Anjali children? Anjali has 5 eggs. Anjali has 5 eggs. Next, Charmi. Charmi has how many eggs? Charmi has 1, 2, 3. So Charmi has 3 eggs. Next, number of eggs put together. So what is the total number of eggs here? Here 5 and here. Now we put all the eggs in this basket. Now total how many eggs? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total how many eggs? 8. Okay, total here 8 eggs. Okay children, note down everyone like this. You have to write the numbers first. Anjali has 5 eggs and Charmi has 3 eggs. Number of eggs put together, totally 8 eggs. We helped the farmer put together all the eggs into one basket. Putting together is known as addition. Okay children, what is meaning of addition? Addition means putting together. So here the eggs are given in the different baskets. We put all the eggs in one basket. Now we get the total number of eggs. So total number of eggs, this is called an addition. So how to get the answer here? We put all the eggs in one basket to get the total number of addition now. So this is called addition. What is the meaning of addition children? Once again I am asking. Putting together. Putting together means addition. Okay children, so next. In the farm, 4 chicks are near the pond. Okay, yes. Here 4 chicks are near the pond and 4 chicks are near to mother. Near to mother hen. 4 chicks put together with 3 chicks. Okay, here in 4 chicks are near to the pond and 3 chicks are near to the mother hen. So now 4 chicks put together with 3 chicks. Together total is 7 chicks. So 4 after 5, 6, 7. Totally 7 chicks. Next, Shekhar is feeding 2 birds. 3 more birds fly down to join them. Now there are 5 birds for Shekhar to feed. Okay, here Shekhar is feeding 2 birds, 1 and 2. So 3 more birds fly down to join them. So 3 birds which join them. Now total how many birds here? How to get the total? You have to put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally how many birds? Totally the shaker needs to feed 5 birds. 2 birds put together with 3 birds is 5 birds. When things are put together, we add them. When we add, the number becomes more. Okay. When the things put together. So for example, in the first year, 2x and 5x means when the things put together. If you put things together, the numbers are increases or decreases? Increases. Okay. When we add, the numbers becomes more. So for example, here 4x and here 3x. When we put together these total x, the total number of x is 7. So when we add two numbers, the numbers becomes more. Okay children, so now everyone open companion. Companion page number 31. Okay children, everyone open companion page number 31. Count and fill the blanks with the correct numbers. Read the story formed. Okay. Dash ducks are swimming in the pond. Okay. How many ducks are swimming in the pond, children? 2 ducks. Okay. Here you have to write number 2. Dash more joins them. Then they are dash. Okay. So here dash more joins them. 1. One more joins them. Then they are dash ducks swimming in the pond. Now here, how many ducks here? 1, 2, 3. So here you have to write number 3. Okay children. Next, Peter has dash strawberries. Okay, here you have to count the number of strawberries in this basket. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to write number 4. Next, his sister has dash to get dash. His sister has how many strawberries of his sister has? 1, 2, 3. You have to write number 3. His sister has 3. Together they have dash. Here you have to count how many strawberries? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay children, here just the numbers are missed, and here this is a form of story. Okay, once I will read the story, you have to listen carefully. 2 ducks are swimming in the pond. 1 more joins them. Then there are 3 ducks swimming in the pond. Peter has 4 strawberries and his sister has 3 strawberries. Together they have 7 strawberries. Okay. Together means you have to put 4 strawberries and 3 strawberries to get totally 7 strawberries. Okay. Now done children. Next you have to count and fill the blanks with the correct numbers. Read the story formed. Okay. Here also they given like this. There are dash kites in the sky. You have to write the number. After some time, dash more kites came up. Together they have dash kites in the sky. Okay. There are dash kites here. 1, 2, 3. 3 kites in the sky. After some time, dash more kites came up. Now here 5 means 2 more kites came up. Now totally 5. Together there are 5 kites in the sky. Okay, once I will read the story. There are 3 kites in the sky. After some time, 2 more kites came up. Together there are 5 kites in the sky. Okay children, so next one you have to do the homework. You have to fill the blanks and do. Next, count and add. Write your answer in square sentence. Okay children, so your answer in the square, complete the sentence. Okay, count and add. So first here you have to observe children. So what are these? These are lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lollipops here? 5. You have to write the number 5. 5 lollipops put together with, how many lollipops here? 1, 2, 3. Here 5 lollipops and here 3 lollipops. 5 lollipops put together with 3 lollipops is, here you have to write the total number of lollipops. How to get the total number of lollipops, children? Put all the lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 6, 7, 8. Here we are putting all the lollipops. No. You have to add the total lollipops and write the answer here. So total 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay children, totally 8 lollipops. 5 lollipops put together with 3 lollipops is 8 lollipops. Okay children, now down. Okay children, next B1. Dash, how many marbles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to write 4 here. Next 1, 2, 3. 4 marbles put together with 3 marbles is total how many marbles? Okay, let us put all the marbles and write the answer here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally how many marbles, children? 7. 4 marbles put together with 3 marbles is 7 marbles. Note down. Next C1. Here in the first 6 boards and 2 boards. 6 boards and 2 boards to put 8 boards. Okay, you have to do this as homework. Okay children, so now everyone open studio page number 53, 4.2. Charmy and Anjali visit an aquarium. Charmy spots 2 fish and Anjali spots 5 fish. Fill in the blanks to complete the addition sentence. Okay, Charmy and Anjali went to a picnic and she spots some fishes. So here Charmy spots 2 fish and the Anjali spots 5 fish. Okay, here dash fish put together with 2. Here who spots 2 fishes? Charmy spots 2 fishes and Anjali spots 5 fishes. Okay, 5 fish put together with 2. Okay, 5 fishes put together with 2 means here you have to observe children. So here these are the 5 fishes. Now put together with 2 fishes. Okay, put together with 2 fishes means now add the total number of fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total how many fishes? 7 fishes. 5 fish put together with 2 fish is 7 fishes. Okay, note down children. So this is about today's class. Thank you children. Have a nice day.